Right, what's up? Today we are going to study JavaScript, currently using kitkode. Now add a log statement to print the value of your call variable. Okay, means you create a console log call C. Damn. I turned it into a string, stupid. So it's like that, easy. I know, hi. Call variable is an undefined value. Even though you defined it, this is because your padro function does not currently return a value. Function return undefined as their value. Return keyword. Here's an example of a function that returns a string. Hello. See, that works. You have a value that's explicitly written in your code, like the hello string in your function is considered to be hard-coded. True. It's hard-coded, so you could define parameters to the function. Parameters are special variables. To add a parameter to your function, you need to add a variable name inside the parentheses. Demo function is a name parameter. Name sounds like okay. Um, yeah, that's good. Change your padro function to return the name parameter. Instead of string hello, we can return name like that. Success. If you open your console again, you see that your padro function is returning undefined. You pass a value to function call, the value is referred to as an argument. The argument, there's an example of calling a demo function and passing Naomi as the argument. Pass your own name as the argument for the name parameter in your padro call. Remember that your name is a string, so you'll need to use quotes. Really? Simple function, padro. Why would I use double quotes? Confusing. It's going to be a string. First scope is the global scope, variables, block a function, for loop in the global scope, your character count, rows, and variables. The variables in the global scope function can access it. All the function using global title variable. Const title. This example would return Professor Naomi. Update your Pedro function to return the value of concatenating your character variable to the beginning of the name. Like that. Okay, good. Outside of the function, we'll either get undefined or an error. Use const to declare a test variable in Pedro function. Initialize it with the value testing. Okay. Function try to log test console.log test. I don't think anything will happen. Yep, undefined is not defined, so let's move it. Just proceed. It's outside its scope. Your test declares security after your turn statement. Important thing to know. Okay. If you try to add a console.log test row function, you will see an error. This is because test is defined in the local scope, meaning you cannot access it in the global scope outside of the padro function. Turning a value from a function brings that value to the scope where the function is called. Bring your testing value from the padro function. Update your return statement to return only the test variable. I'm still confused. They're doing step by step. The value testing. But your function is no longer using the name parameter. Remove the name parameter from function. Then remove your camper string from the padro call. Try it out. Okay, it's back to being empty. What? Function now returns undefined again. Remove the call declaration and the console.log for the call variable. Move the call declaration and the console log. Back from the start. Check code. It's doing well. So make and go to that. Are we on? My bad. He's locked in for sure. So you can homeless in this. In order to know how to format a row, your padrow function will need to know which row. It's the best way to give this padrow function a row number and a row count. Okay. So keyboard's interrupting me. Keep it pressing shift. What up? It's like that. Camel case. JavaScript's convention. Actually forgot the music. It's 11. Post start at 25. Return keyword is used to specify return value. For example, this function would return. This function will return the value given to the first parameter. Return keyword is used to specify return value. And keyword to return the value. The character, variable. Oh, my bad. Supposed to use repeats. Ads. We have classes too. Ask me later. You may not have been aware of events like push function calls. Replace the character that repeat in your push function call for your padrow. Pass I+1 and count as the arguments to your counts respectively. Padrow, row number, row count. Is this it? Set beginning and end. Pabit na mat. Kasi ito yung row pyramid. If week 1 it's centered, it would look something like update your blank space strings to be repeated. That okay. Row count. They're already giving us the formula. Isn't this correct? Huh? Okay, let's see. This is correct. What? I'm gonna reload this shit. I don't understand. Can't just call something like that. Or am I right or am I wrong? How do I do it though? Oh. Dude, I've been doing... What? It's confusing. Would yield the same result. 2 times 3 plus 1, that's 7. That's 7. Or is it something like that? So let's do this. If I can, mark it down. Iterator. Lag. Oh, I see now. It's constantly lagging because every time I change the code, it automatically builds it up, runs the code, and it's looping or something. Most of the time, it doesn't like this one. You can instead start your loop at 1. This would allow you to create a 1 index loop. Start at 1 instead of 0. Fine. You don't need to add 1 to I when you pass it to pad row. Update the first argument of your pad row call to be I. GBI? Since you don't need it. Original loop went for I values from 0 to 7 because count is 8 and your condition requires I to be less than count. Your loop needs to be updated to run when I is 8 2. Looking at your logic, this means your loop should run when I is less than or equal to count. Set your loop condition to run while I is less than equals to count. Just gotta just say that, you know. This will be helpful for explaining JavaScript. You can leave a command line function. I don't know this. Okay, is this to be expected if boolean true. Huh? I'm sorry. So truth E, considered true when evaluated as a boolean. False value is the opposite of value considered false when evaluated as a boolean. JS is defined as the false value of them include false, zero, blank, null, undefined, and null. Try changing your if condition to an empty string, which is a false value. It's false. Well, yeah, it's false. Body should be empty. To avoid this, start by using the increment operator, then plus. It's a post increment. Quality should check, add an if statement to your loop. I think they use the values here. It's equal to count using the quality operator. I think yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm comparing down in count. Add an if statement to your loop. Statement should check if done is equals to count. Quality operator. Huh? What? Okay, speed running again. And done has reached the value of count. Tell you if body assign the boolean false. Then continue the variable. Huh? Isn't this correct? What you did in the first loop. What did I do in the first loop? Okay. Sorry. Did your while loop condition to check if done is not equals to count. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Sorry. This you mean. Since you moved the comparison to the while condition, you can remove the entire if statement. True. Odds. Your pyramid generator is still working because you're only checking if done is not equal to count. If done to be larger than count, your loop will go on forever. Update your loop's condition to check if done is less than or equal to count. Done is less than or equal to count. Update your condition to check if rows.length is equal to standard. working functional loop. Use a multi-line comment to comment out your while loop. Sure. Submit. What if you made your pyramid upside down inverted? Time to try it out. Start beginning for loop. Sorry. Because you're going to loop in the opposite direction, your loop needs to run when I is greater than 0. You can use the greater than operator for this. Your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. Your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. Sorry. Just skip, man. I don't want. Huh? That's what the manual. Shifted variable. Numbers that shift. What more do you want? It's time up. Peace out. Sorry for our progress today. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed.